What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C1. We back at it, bro, with another fire video, man. Like in today's video, y'all, we're gonna be going over how to do launch control in the 2021 Charger, Hellcat, Redeye, all that good stuff, man. Look, y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, everything, man. Look, let's get to the video. All right, CEEFAM, inside the car, bro, on a straight little road. All right, first step, man, hit this SRT button twice, smack, smack. Just to make sure, bro, you in your highest horsepower thing, man. Traction control is off like y'all see. All right, next step, man, hit the launch button. No? You gotta hold them down or something or what? There we go. All right. So, boom, we hit the launch button, man. To launch, press brake and quickly apply full throttle. All right, y'all. So, pressing the brake right now. Hold on, boy. Let me go to the SRT dashboard, man. Launch control activated. Vehicle launch at 2,000 RPMs. All right, so I have my foot on the brake, y'all. Comment down below, what's a good RPM to launch at, y'all? All right, so boom, we here, 2,000 RPMs. Whoa. God damn. Yeah, y'all, so that thing, boy, I was slipping everything, boy. Slipping and everything. God almighty, yo. Yeah, like I said, comment down below, bro. Look, what's a good RPM, man? Because I don't know a good RPM. I'm finna stop and do it again just to like get a feel for it, I guess. Like, I just want to get a little feel for it right quick, man. So, all right, so boom, activate launch control. All right, follow the instructions again. Press brake. Press brake. All right, so we're gonna see y'all 2,000. God almighty. Like I said, yo, this is new to me. Most definitely new to me, yo. I never did nothing like this before in no car, right? Launch control and blah, blah, blah. So like I said, comment down below, man. What's the best RPM to launch at? Should we launch at higher RPMs, y'all? Like 3,500 or 3,000 RPMs or what? Because I know like whenever I'm road racing and stuff, y'all, like the RPMs are usually high, you know what I mean? I'm at like, I don't know, 5,000 RPMs or 4,500 type RPMs, shit, even almost close to 6,000 sometimes, you know? It just depends on how fast you're going and what gear you in, you know what I mean? So, like I said, comment down below, y'all, what is a good RPM to launch at? I get it, we on street tires, all right, y'all, so I'm not gonna have traction either way, but this right here was just an experience for y'all just to see like how it is, man. Experience for me too, you know, so let's get to it, man. All right, CEEFAM, so y'all already seen us launch at 2,000 RPMs, all right? Like I said, comment down below, man. What's the best RPMs to launch at, all right? If I'm getting somebody at the light or if, you know, I'm dig racing with somebody, like what's the best RPMs to launch at, all right? So, let me see. I know it says 2,500 max, all right? That's what it says, all right, y'all. So we're gonna try to launch, man, at 2,500. All right, so let me stop this bit right now. Boom, activate launch control. To launch vehicle must be at 0 miles per hour. All right, so activate launch control. Activate a vehicle launch at 2,500 RPMs. Y'all, this thing cool though. To say it's stock intake, stock everything, bro, this thing cool, bro, for real. All right, this thing cool like crazy, bro. So I just wanted y'all to hear it, I guess, from the interior. All right, I'm gonna put the GoPro on the outside too, just so y'all can hear that as well, man. Just so y'all can get a feel for the inside, the outside. I might put that thing on the damn trunk, I don't know. I'm just trying to get more creative with the videos, man, just to like give y'all something to look forward to, man, you know, because if I keep doing the same thing repetitively, the content gonna get repetitive, right? And then my viewers gonna go away, my subscribers gonna go away, and you know, your boy can't have that, man. So all right, CEEFAM, so we finna activate launch control now. 2,500. Jesus Christ. like I said, y'all, Spin City, man. Spin City, bro. But hey, this thing giddy up, bro. I feel like 2500 is definitely like too long. Like I have to hold it for too long, and the car just keep inching, right? It just keep on wanting to go. All right, so I think 2500 is too long, y'all. I would definitely keep it around 2 bands, around 2000. I think that's fine. All right, it's not gonna provide you with too much wheel spin, but it's gonna give you enough RPMs to get the engine going. That's just my preference, y'all. All right, so like I said, let's go down. I'm gonna just go, you know what? So we did 2000, we did 2500. Let's go like 17, man. A little light 17 right quick, bro. So, you know what? 1600, bro. Let's go 1600 right quick, man. Skirt. Boom, activate launch control. Vehicle will launch at 1600 RPMs. Jesus Christ. That wasn't even a launch, y'all. I don't even know what happened. For real. I don't know if maybe I don't know if it was something I did, but hold on, bro. Let me see something real quick, man. Damn, I wonder what my 0 to 60 time is in this thing. That's gonna be another video for real. 0 to 60, bro. Yeah, this car got too much power to be trying to launch at a low RPM like this. As y'all seen, bro, I was spinning like crazy, bro. All right, so we'll try it again, man. 2000 RPMs. So we're kind of going downhill right now. So, well, not too much downhill, a little something, bro. But yeah, let me see, man. All right, y'all, let's try this, man. 2000 RPMs. God. Yo, this thing is fast, dog. Fast as hell, bro. This thing is too fast. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm having too much fun with this thing, y'all, for real. I don't know what my 0 to 60 time is in this car, but I think it's pretty fast, bro. For real. I definitely think it's a little fast, bro. So we'll do this one more time, bro. And I'm gonna put the GoPro on the outside just so y'all can hear it. We'll see it too, you know. Boom. To launch, press brake and quickly apply full throttle. Brake. Hell no. So I wouldn't recommend quickly applying full throttle, y'all. I would say ease onto it and then go, because that quickly apply full throttle stuff, y'all, that does not work, bro. All they do is gonna make you spin. If you're on a street tire like me, all it's gonna do is make you spin. All right, so try it again. Go ease on the throttle. It's like, from a dig, y'all, it's like once I get to, I'd say like 40, then I'm good, you know what I mean? But anything else after that, it's like hell no. Like from 0 to like 40, Spin City if you're on a street tire, at least for me. All right, y'all, everybody's car is different, I get that, but for me, y'all, 0 to 40, I'm spinning, dog. Spin City, spin cycle like a damn washing machine out here. I'm telling y'all, man. So yeah, look, what's finna happen now, y'all? I'm finna put the GoPro onto the back of the car, bruh, just so y'all can see the tires, hear the tires, all that, man. Whenever I'm doing these type of pulls and stuff, right? So stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. I gave y'all a bunch of different views, right? Bunch of different angles, man. Like I said, comment down below, what is the best RPMs to launch at, all right? To me, y'all think the best would be 2,000, all right? That's just me. Everybody have their own setup with tires. Everybody have their own perspective, right? So, but yeah, man, let me give y'all a light little pull right quick before I run out of gas and stuff. Yes, sir. And that's how we do it, man. This thing pick up too quick for me, boy. Just imagine if I had some drag slicks in the back. Oh my God, just some tires, man. But hey, y'all, look, I will holler at y'all the next video, man. If I mess around and spin this thing left or right, man, go sideways like I'm crazy, man. I'll holler at y'all later. Look, y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, baby, all that good stuff, bro. Thank y'all for stopping in. Put y'all comments in the chat, man. In the comment section, I will get back to y'all whenever I can, baby. I'll holler at y'all.